Okay, I want you to talk.
You want me to talk?
Yes.
Well, what am I going to say that hasn't been said? That we are having the most amazing time in this crystal clear water. Have a look at this water. You can see all the way down to the bottom. It's incredible.
Let's see if it can see us through the bottom. So.
So we have to say we love this island, we love the people.
Yep.
We feel that the people are so friendly.
Yep.
Going out of the way to assist. Bought a taxi here to this beach for $2.50 each, which is really cheap.
Yep. Yeah, we spent probably over $100 just in tips yesterday at Ocho's. This is way better.
This is amazing. I'm so happy that we came. The town looked very interesting as well, but I wanted to swim in the waters, and so here we are.
Beautiful. And here it is. Here's the beach, packed with some chairs and people, and kind of reminds me a little, no, not really. I was going to say like the beach we went to in Puerto Rico, but that had palm trees. This doesn't have any palm trees.
There wasn't nearly as many people.
Oh no, I know. And it was January.
They said there was
First or second.
They said there were 7 ships here today.
Yeah, wow.
Love it here. One of my favorite islands so far.
Oh yeah, definitely. And it's funny, from the shore, it looked kind of boring compared to Jamaica. Jamaica's very mountainous, and this looked very flat, but wow, look at this,
I've
man.
already forgotten. What did we do in the Bahamas?
We walked around Nassau.
Oh, that's right, Nassau.
Oh, look at
And then we went
this.
back to the ship. But these waters
So
are much
gorgeous.
more beautiful. I love how big this beach is.
It's beautiful.
Oh, there comes a yacht. Look.
Oh yeah. No, it's been
Catamaran.
sitting there. That's what I was talking about.
Oh.